Oh, hi, mate. Yeah, I was just wondering, interested in a few of the cars there. Just wondering, would like to just come round and come down and see what sort of cars you've got. But I didn't know now with like the kind of restrictions and stuff whether I needed to like sort of book an appointment in.
Yeah,
Is,
definitely.
is, is,
What,
is that
what cars are you looking at?
is that what's happening at the minute? Sort of the appointments. Is
Yeah,
it? Yeah.
we're fully open for like test drives and everything, but we are just doing appointment based only, just to keep everyone safe. Just like all this nonsense that's flying about.
Oh yeah, no, I can completely understand that. That's absolutely fine. When have you got appointments available? You sort of got anything tomorrow at all? Like,
Yeah. We're completely free tomorrow,
well,
my friend.
oh mate, can you just bear with me 2 seconds? There's just a delivery driver at the door. Just hold the line, and then we'll get this booked in, mate. All right.
No problem.
La-di-dee, la-di-da. Oh, that is better, man. That is better. La-di-dee. La-di-dee. Oh, man. Oh, I've needed that. Hi mate, sorry about that. It's just an Amazon driver just dropping a delivery. So, what times have we got available tomorrow?
What time were you looking at, sir? I'll just have to make sure they're available.